Oh boy. Using our crane again. Why do I need this? I don't know. But I just saw it. I thought that was my grandmother's. I don't have my grandmother anymore, so I need that. So here we are with the crane, aka the world's cheapest backhoe. You're past the tailgate. Yeah, right there. You're over the axle. Almost over the axle. It'll slide in the bed, so. That looks good. Right on the gooseneck ball. Right on the gooseneck ball, where all the weight was meant to be. Yeah. All hail the crane. The claw! Oh boy. That'll make your heart skip a beat or two. Especially if you like your pickup truck with 300 or 400 pounds of steel swinging into your taillight. Just another daily adventure.